Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Mini Cooper S. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 1-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mini has less than 73,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in very good overall condition. Key features include cruise control, leather seats, CD player, anti-lock brakes, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, traction control, and power windows.